Hey everybody, Leann Forst here with leannforst.com, and today I am going to tell you all about pink pepper and all of the health benefits for utilizing pink pepper. So I love this oil because it's so versatile and it has massive health implications, and it's one of those oils that you can use all three ways. You can diffuse it because it's going to help to give you a calming atmosphere as well as a calming aroma when it's inhaled. Using it topically, it's going to be something that maybe you can add to a massage for a soothing massage. But really, the benefit of this oil is for its internal health support. And so let me just tell you all the ways that pink pepper, when taken internally, can help to support your health. And when I take oils internally, I like to have these veggie capsules on hand. These are just, this one's kind of broken. I've used it a lot, but you could just get these anywhere just for a few bucks for a couple hundred, and you open them up to be able to take certified pure tested grade doTERRA essential oils. I wouldn't recommend it for just any oil internally for targeted health needs. So that's pink pepper. It's something that you're going to want to have on hand to take internally because of all of its ways that it supports your health. So just for an example, it helps to support your immune health, your digestive health, your respiratory health. It can also help with supporting a healthy metabolism. So that's another reason to take it internally. It has a component in it called limonene, which can help to support healthy blood sugar levels, as well as healthy cholesterol levels and cellular health. So we know that we're only as healthy as what our cells are. So supporting cellular health is something that you should focus on daily. So take your pink pepper, get your veggie capsules, take it internally, and incorporate it into your health program. Thanks. And by the way, if you know somebody who could benefit from this information, please feel free to share this video with them. And I do have a free ebook below this video. So thanks for listening.